Hey guys, it's Ken, and today I'm going to share with you 11 techniques that I use in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First is how I convert raster into vector in less than a minute. Let's place our raster image, and then we're going to go here, image trace, drop down, and then click low fidelity photo. Click OK, and then wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, click on expand, and then right click, ungroup. Let's remove this white background, and there you go. Next is how to use a golden ratio in Illustrator. First, let's make a circle. Make sure the fill is transparent. Let's duplicate the circle, copy, paste in place, and then we're going to divide the width and height by 1.618. Then we're going to duplicate this and divide it by 1.618. Divide by 1.618. And then you're just going to repeat the process until you think these shapes are enough. You can probably use for creating a logo or a graphic. How to put an image inside a shape. First, let's make a shape. Let's say a square one and then a circle one. Let's just grab a photo on Google. Any image will do. Let's try this one. Copy that. Paste it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna place the images behind the shapes. So use the shortcuts by pressing Ctrl Shift and then the last bracket. And then we're gonna select the image and the shape. Press Ctrl and 7. Let's make another one. Say this image. Copy that. Paste it. Place it behind the shape. Select the image and the shape. Press Ctrl 7. Command 7 on Mac. And that's it. How to type a text on a path or a shape. In this example, let's make a circle, put a stroke on it, and then we're going to go to the type tool, hold your left click on type on the path tool. Then you're going to see the word path, click on it, and then it puts the default lorem ipsum text automatically. But let's delete that so we can place our own text. Let's say Ken or Lena. Change the font size. And here, when you see the arrow just below my mouse cursor, here's where you can adjust where you want to place the text. If you want to center our text, first let's go to paragraph and center align that. And then we're going to drag this over here. And the other end is over here. You can probably make a fancy logo. Maybe we can place an image. Something like that. Next is color palette. If you haven't realized yet, there's a tool inside Illustrator that's called Color Guide, and it's going to give you a bunch of combinations of colors, and it can help you in creating your color palette. Let's say, for example, I'm going to pick teal color, let's say 42BC. When I select this color that I just created, it's going to give me options that are in harmony with this color. So it's going to give me an option that is complementary with it. Then all we have to do is to add this into our swatch, and there we go, it's now available. We can now use it into whatever design we're going to make. How to align things easily when it seems everything is a mess. Let's say I want to align this part of the circle into this corner right here. All we have to do is to use the outline view. First, you can go to the view button and then click outline. So then you can move this shape manually and make sure that it crosses this part right here. Just like that. Now it's perfectly aligned to that edge. How to make a custom shape. Let's say I want to make a custom letter. First, let's make a shape. And then we're going to make another shape. Say we'll place it here. And then another one here. Just like that. Like so. So this makes our custom S shape. Next is we're going to use the shape builder tool, which is right here. Next is we select all of them and we're going to use the shape builder tool. Hold on Alt means it's going to remove whatever we select. So select those parts that we want to remove. And there you go. How to fit a text inside any kind of shape. Let's type any text. Say hello. And then let's make a circle. Then you gotta make sure that the text is under the shape. Select both of them, Go to Object, Envelope Distort, and select Make with Top Object. There you go. Have you encountered this problem that when you put a stroke on a shape or text like this one and you want to scale it up or down and the stroke's not changing? It just stays at the same size. To fix that problem, all we have to do is to go to Transform tool, and we're gonna click on this button on the top right corner over here. We're gonna check Scale Strokes and Effects. So this time, when we scale our text, strokes are scaling as well. Have you ever wondered how to outline your strokes? To do that, all you have to do is to go to Object, Path, and Outline Stroke. There you have it. Here's how you can export your project in different formats and organized. Press Ctrl Alt E on your keyboard. Make sure that this folder is checked and format is selected. Then we're gonna add different formats: PNG, JPEG, SVG, and then PDF. Make sure that Open Location After Export is checked as well, and then click Export Artboard. Now a new window is gonna pop up and it's gonna have the different formats and folders. And that's it. Hope you got something out of it. If you did like this video, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.